Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today's video is part 2 of the 10-minute refrigerator declutter. I started by taking everything off both shelves. I cleaned the shelves, and then I put back the items that were not expired. Usually I'm pretty good at putting dates on items that come into the house, but I've fallen behind. So I took time to write down the expiration or best by dates on all the items that didn't have a date. The reason I do this is so I can see at a quick glance when it expires. It makes it easier to know what needs to be used or replaced soon. As soon as I was finished, I put back the items on the shelf, and that was it. I set aside the items that needed to be replaced. It was very easy to get done in 10 minutes. Find a place in your home. It could be a shelf, a drawer, or a small area somewhere. Set the timer for 10 minutes and see what you can get done. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.